Welcome to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part in SolidWorks with the help of some basic tools like Extrude and Extrude Cut. If you want 2D drawing of this part to practice on your own, I have provided it in the description box. Go check it out. And I will be creating this part in this tutorial with the help of this drawing. This is the front view of the part and this is the back view of the part. Left view of the part, and this is the bottom view of the part, and this is the section view of this part about section AA. So first I will create this cylinder of dia 50 mm and I will extrude it about mid plane up to length of 75 mm. Then I will create this cylinder at the same plane of dia 38 mm. Please watch this video from start to end carefully. So let's get started. First we will enter into the part mode, file, new, and select part. Select front plane to sketch. Now I will create this outer circle of 50 mm on this front plane and extrude it up to a distance of 75 mm about mid plane. Press S key. S key is a shortcut key with the help of which you can select basic commands instantly. Select circle, again press S key, dimension it 50. Go to features, select extrude boss base, select here about mid plane, enter the value of 75 mm. Now I will select another plane, right plane, normal to. Now I will create this circle of dia 38 mm. Select circle, press S key, select dimensions, select circle, enter the value of 38 mm. Now I have to fully define this circle because it is showing in blue color, which means it is, you can say that I can freely drag it. This means the circle is not fully defined. So the distance between the circle, you can see that from this front view, the distance between the center of the circle and the center line of this cylinder of dia 50 mm which we have just created is 100 mm. So I will select smart dimension, select this point, and enter the value of 100 mm. Now next step is we have to define this circle distance from this center horizontal distance, which is, you can see that 64. 64 is what? 64 is the distance between this face of this cylinder from here to center of the circle here. Select smart dimension, select this circle and select this. So the distance will be 64 plus mid distance of this, means 75 divided by 2 plus 64, which is 101.5. Select this point. This distance is 101.5. Now you can see that the color of our sketch is changed to black, and if I select this center of the circle and try to move it, it's not moving, means the sketch is fully defined. All the dimensions required to draw this sketch is given in this. So next step, we will extrude it up to a distance of 64 here. About mid plane, select mid plane, enter the value of 64 mm, press OK. Now we have created both the cylinders. Now we will create this profile. For that, press S key. We have to first select the plane. I will again select right plane, sketch, press S key, select line command, create a vertical line, then move your cursor to back and then forward. It will convert into the arc. Then again create a horizontal line. Select this circle and convert entities. Again select line, select a line, create a vertical line, then again move backward and forward. It convert into arc, then create a horizontal line. Now I will add relations between these lines. So I will select this arc, press Ctrl key, select this this line and make relation tangent. Again I will select this line, hold down Ctrl key, select this circle and make a relation of tangent. I will again select this arc and Ctrl key, tangent. I will again select this line and this, hold down Ctrl key, select the circle and make tangent. I will drag it, yes. So I will select trim entities, trim this unnecessary portion and this portion too. Now I will create this line and make it horizontal. Now I will create again this profile at offset distance of 12 mm. Why? Because the distance between this and this, or you can see the thickness of this strip, only this strip is 12 mm, which is shown in figure. Here you can see that the thickness of this strip is shown in the section view, which is 12 mm. So I will create an offset of this profile. So I will select offset entities, select this line and this line, enter the value of 12 mm. Sorry, I think it's selecting the whole profile. Again I have to select again it. I will select this profile and this profile. Enter I will let me delete this trim entities, delete this line. Now I can draw that profile. Select offset entities, select this line and this line. I will uncheck select chain. Enter the value of 12 mm and press OK. Select trim entities. Select trim entities, trim this portion. Now I will connect these 3 points with the horizontal line. Now I will add some relation. Select this circle, arc, select this line, make tangent. Select this arc and this line, make tangent. Select this line, make tangent. Now it's time to dimension it. You can see that distance from here to outermost arc is 57 mm. So I will select this line and this line, 57 mm. And its radius is 66 mm. Select this arc, radius is 66 mm. And its radius is, select the smart dimension, radius of this arc. Radius of this arc is 20 mm. 20, enter. Now I will place this line to the mid. Yes. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now I will extrude it up to how much distance? Let me check. I will extrude this up to a distance of 12 mm. You can see that from the section view. This dimension. So select features, select extrude boss base. I will select only this profile at this time and select here mid plane. Enter the distance of 12 mm. And you can see that there is a draft of 3 degree. At this surface. So I will check here draft, and this draft is outward. Make sure you don't check this draft outward because this draft is inward. Enter value here 3 degree. You can see that. Now I will again select I forgot to make this draft of 3 degree in this cylinder. So I will go back to here boss extrude, edit, select here draft 3 degree inward, select OK. You can see that we have created here also a draft because it is mentioned into the drawing. Now I will again select right plane, sketch, normal to. Now I will drag this part, select this sketch and show. Now convert entities, convert this sketch, this sketch, this sketch, this sketch. Now check here normal to, and select converted degrees. This time we will select not this edge but this edge, because we have created the draft. If we will select this edge, it will result into zero thickness error. We will not select this sketch, we will select this edge and this edge. It will automatically create at the right plane. Select here, okay. You can see that because while creating the draft, these two faces are gone inward. Again select convert entities, select this line, press OK. Sorry, enter, undo. We will create a line of vertical line like this. Select trim entities, trim this portion. Now I will unhide, hide this sketch, previous sketch. Again create this line. Again I will select trim entities, trim, sorry, I will select this point and this edge, make coincident. I will select this point and drag it up to this much. Now I will select trim entities, trim this portion. Again trim entities, trim this portion. Now you can see that it is created. Now we will extrude it up to a distance of 12 mm. Not 12 mm, 12 mm is the thickness. We will extrude it up to a distance of 50 mm. Here the thickness of this strip from this portion to this portion, 50 mm. About midplane, select extrude boss base, select this profile and select here midplane, enter the value here 50 mm. Sorry, go back, select here edit part. There is also a draft here, you can see that of 3 degree. So check here draft, enter the value of 3 degree, make sure you don't check draft outward, press OK. Now we have created this profile. Now we have to make hole to these through 2 cylinders. First I will select this cylinder, normal to, sketch, circle, and I will create a circle of dimension of dia 25 mm. Select this point, select S key, dimensions, enter the value of 25 mm. Select here extrude cut, enter here through all both, press OK. Now I will create hole through this cylinder, select this face, sketch, select circle, select this center, create a circle, dimension it, select a smart dimension, and the hole is here of 16 mm dia. Select this circle, enter the value of 16 mm. select here extrude cut, select here through all both. Now we have created the base profile of this part. Now I will create fillets. Let's see what is the dimension of fillets. The fillet is of, you can see that in the section view here, of 3 mm everywhere. So select here fillet, sorry, select this face, enter value of 3 mm, select this arc, make sure you check here tangent propagation, it will automatically select edges tangent to selected portion 3 mm. Again select here also this edge and this side. Now same as here, select this side and select this side. Here also you can see that there is a fillet, so I will select, sorry, I will select it in the next step, press OK. I have created these fillets. Now again select fillet, select this portion and select this side, yes, value will be same as before 3 mm. Now we have successfully created this part. If you like this video, please like our YouTube channel and subscribe and share this video as much as you can. And if you need 2D exercise files for practice, you can visit our website www.cadcamster.com. Thank you.